Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is fast and reliable. Turn on Bluetooth, set your phone visible, and place earbuds in pairing mode. The LED will usually flash. Once done, select the earbuds name from the phone's list and accept any permission prompts. You should hear a confirmation tone or see a connected status. If you use one bud, make sure mono mode is supported. This first step gets audio routed and saves time for call testing next. Now you configure call-specific settings so voice is clear and comfortable. Open the phone's audio output options during a call or in Bluetooth settings and choose the earbuds as default for calls. Next, enable noise cancellation or ambient mode appropriately. These affect mic pickup and how you hear others. Make a brief test call or record a voice memo to check volume and mic placement. If voice sounds thin, reposition the mic or finish by using good habits that prevent connection problems and improve reliability. After the call, end it fully and return earbuds to their case or power them off to preserve battery and reset connections. If you experience dropouts, first toggle Bluetooth on the phone, then unpair and repair if necessary. For poor mic performance, check the app's microphone permissions and update the earbuds firmware when available. One key tip: reboot your phone if problems persist. This clears many transient Bluetooth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.